Hello, my people. Good morning. This is your girl Abigail Frimpong. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and share. Press the bell to get notification and subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comment on the comment section below. Thank you all. This morning, I'm going to talk about this virus that is all over the world. But I will use pidgin English. I go use pidgin English man break am down for everybody, because not be everybody dey understand grammar. Not everybody dey understand big English. So me wan use pidgin English man break all the whole things down for una. This virus don dey spray, e don dey carry agbada. Many people don carry the video, many people don talk. I don also lis ten to many people on. So I come conclude, okay, make me come still do my own video, ma break am down for my fans wey dey out there wey dey wait make me bring my own video on this topic. This coronavirus, e don carry agbada. The thing don too much. Many people dey die. Only yesterday they were saying it's 5,000 people that have been infected. 5,000 people don carry this coronavirus, and is it 300 and something don die for this virus. So now the new law wey government come put now, no say we now, even my city, last time I say the virus dey my city, so we now, the new law wey dey put now, they don close Lombardia. All the whole 24 city in Lombardia have been closed. They have closed the border. You cannot pass from Lombardia, say you are going to Rome, or say you are going to Sicily, or say you are traveling to Napoli. You cannot pass Lombardia. And now the new law again, people now wey dey Lombardia, now wey get family for Rome, and you no fit go, because the law, they published the law yesterday. The border have been closed. So we now wey dey under Lombardia, wey get work, wey dey go work under Lombardia, wey some work never still close, some people still dey go work. If you no get any working permit, they no fit allow you go work. If you wan go supermarket, you need to carry evidence, like you carry the bag, say you wan go buy something. Because if police or calabulary people see you, say you just dey waka for road like that, they go stop you. They go ask you where you dey go. If you no get where you dey go, if you no get better excuse wey you wan give them, they go say make you go back to your house, because you no get any proof say this way you are going, because they no wan see anybody outside. Even from now, as I even dey talk to you now, from now the thing don show. We never know how further notice go be, because stores, the way what I even dey hear say, they say from on the 15th sef, many stores go close, supermarket go close. Stores wey dey available now, na only supermarket, pharmacy, na im dey open for now. Even though you say you wan go buy something for supermarket, you go dey for queue. Even bank, postpaid now, postpaid before wey be say all of us go just pack ourselves enter. Now you no fit pack yourself enter like that. You go dey for line, you go dey for queue until when e reach your turn. And even though you wan dey for the line, you go dey far distance. Even though the one wey even dey vex me inside be say these Italians now, they don dey wonder say why we black no dey carry this virus. Why be say na only them dey carry am? So now they come out dey ask say why be say e never hold our black, why be say Africa no dey carry am? So that be the one wey I hear yesterday, wey one Italian woman dey talk am for one Sky News like that. She say the things wey this virus dey happen, this virus never catch Africa. Why? So they don even dey come dey question say why be say we Africa no dey get am? My sister, my brother, so my fellow brother, una stay indoor, because this one now they don dey ask why be say no dey hold Africa. They never 2 years say many Africa carry am. Why? The virus be because e get where you go reach na beg. If you dey sick, you suffer dey inside your house, because if you go hospital now, they fit carry injection inject you. So all this news now, na be the important things wey I wan give. So if you dey understand the grammar wey I dey speak, if you wan come outside, you must get evidence say you dey come out, or say where you dey go. If you dey go work, you must collect working permit from your boss wey dey in charge. He go give you working permit say you are coming to work. If you wan go supermarket, you must carry nylon say you dey go supermarket, in case they hold you for road. Even though no be supermarket you dey go, carry one evidence wey they go ask you where are you going to. You say na supermarket na im you dey go. Abeg, my brothers and sisters, this information is very important. E dey important well. Who get ear make e hear. who get ear make e hear, because no be everybody go say e no hear o, or police go stop you for road now you go say you no know o. Which one be say you no know when you dey hear news, you dey hear say they don everywhere is locked. Even Monza yesterday I come outside, I go do Spencer. Yesterday I was surprised wey be say Monza train station was also closed. You no fit pass, you know they dey queue, they dey for line. If you wan go inside the train station, the police go ask you where your paper, where are you going to. If na far place you dey go, maybe if you from here, say you from Monza now, say you dey go Roma, or say you dey go Milano Centrale, okay, they go ask you where you dey go from Milano Centrale. If you no give them important place, say where see where you dey go, or na work you dey go, oga bro sister, they go pursue you go back. They go say make you revise back because they no wan hear, they no wan hear o. Abeg o, this one na wetin me carry say make I come talk for here so now. Abeg, make we dey cautious even though we come outside, anywhere wey we go, even though you carry your pikin come outside, if you just dey enter house, the first thing wey you go do, enter your bedroom or enter your kitchen, use soap and water, wash your hand very well. Wash your baby hand. As you dey wash your hand, still dey wash your face, dey join am. That one e dey important, because the hand wey you take go outside, you just use am touch face. If you just dey enter, wash your hand, wash your baby hand, wash your baby face, still wash your own hand and face. That one dey important, that is very important. So my sister, if una be say una dey go work, if police ask una where una dey go, una go make sure say una give them better evidence, better proof say na work una dey go. Because if una no give them any better proof, they go just tell you say make you dey go back house, because they don close Lombardia. Lombardia have been closed. Nobody is coming into Lombardia and nobody is going out from Lombardia to another place. So let's take note. So any information now wey come now, I will let una know, because now we never even get, we never even know when the cure wan take come out. The cure never come out, na so people dey die, na so people dey contact, and the thing don even come too much for Lombardia, na make they close Lombardia, because all the sick people, all the old people wey don infect and under this Lombardia dey dey. So they no wan make the thing comot for Lombardia go another city like Rome, Napoli, Sicily. So they no wan make the thing comot for this side, me go another state. So they just wan make the thing just dey under this Lombardia until when they get the cure. The other one, they say they will close everywhere. So if you no get food stuff for house now, go outside, go supermarket, go buy enough food wey go last you from now till April 3rd. Because the news wey I hear for Jordan, for another BBC, they say na till on the, we must dey indoor till April 3rd, till on the 3rd of April. 3rd of April still far o. This is next month na we even dey talk. So on the 3rd of April, e still far. So in case wey be say they don lock, because where they say am so, e get where you go reach, they go close every store, every supermarket go close, go dey indoor. So before that kind of thing go happen, we need to go buy enough food. We go buy enough food, no keep enough food for house. You buy enough food keep for house, so that e go reach you till that time, till further notice wey they say they wan take find the solution, because they never find the solution, they never know cure. So we still dey pray to God make they still find the cure before many people go die. So na all this information now I get for now for my fans wey dey out there wey dey watch me. Thank you. No forget to like and subscribe. Abeg, una help me. If na today be your first time wey you dey pass my channel, abeg press that subscription, that red button, press the red button, subscribe, and don't forget to press that hand wey dey show like this, wey dey show like. You go like, you still leave your comment for down. Thank you, I really appreciate una. God bless you all and stay blessed.